Welcome to the Landis Performance channel. In part 3 video on the NASCAR Cup car, Phillips number 7, we're going to go ahead and rebuild some boom pipes and replace a bunch of old, faded sponsor stickers and car numbers. So on the boom tubes, the exit chambers are made from 2 pieces of 1.5 by 3 box tubing. And then there's a strip 3 inches wide welded between the 2 boxes, which creates the 3-chamber boom tube. So I installed header extensions on the engine and then took a section of 3-inch pipe, split it down the middle, and reshaped it to fit one end on the header extension, the other end on the boom tube section. Once I installed them on the car, made sure they fit properly, we went ahead and put the boom tube on the welding bench to make the filler pieces to finish off the pipe. So from here, we took cardboard template and made 4 pieces, 1 for each side of each boom tube section. Then we cut those out of 14 gauge flat steel. Once they were cut, we went ahead and fit each one into the position, make sure they fit properly. That one was completely welded in. But we would fit the cardboard, cut out the piece out of 14 gauge flat stock, sand it to fit properly so there was no gaps, shape if needed. Then I would go ahead and tack them in position, and once I was happy with the positioning of the plate and with them tacked in position with no gaps, I would go ahead and use the MIG welder and fully weld the piece to the pipe, and then flip the pipe over and do the other side, and then same thing on the other set of boom tube. Once we were done with that, I went ahead and painted them black with VHT 2000 degree paint and reinstalled them on the car. I believe they came out really nice. After we got them installed, I went ahead and reinstalled the side skirts on the side of the car to finish off the look of the chassis. So let's go ahead and take a listen and see how they sound now that we're finished. All right, got the car outside. Let's hear these new boom pipes. Sound pretty good. So I needed to replace a bunch of sponsor stickers and the actual numbers on the car. They were very decayed. So I called up Comp Cal sticker company, and these guys do a lot of vintage NASCAR, and they were able to help me out with all the stickers. So here's the roof number. You can see it was heavily sun beaten, and there's the new one. Perfect fit. These guys are fantastic at what they do. There's the side door, kind of faded and flat looking with scratches and rips in it, and the fresh one. And there was a bunch of period correct stickers that you can't buy, but I was able to send them digital images, and they were able to copy them perfectly. Some Bud Pole Award, that was from those years only. New ones all have shine to them. MCI. It was pretty sun faded. And there's a beautiful reproduction. And of course, the Gatorade had the day glow in it, so that was a perfect replacement. Did a great job with the Cleveite and the Spicer. And the period correct Winston Racing and True Value. And many of the other stickers were faded. And here's the team owner's personal sticker, which was heavily sun faded, but they were able to reproduce it and make it beautiful again. So next thing I wanted to do was get red wheels back on it like it was supposed to. So I took a set of black wheels, used playing cards instead of tape, blast them with soda, sprayed them red, matching the red on the car. Then I deflated them, took out the playing cards, reinflated the tires, and put the wheels back on the car. Came out great. And CompCal also made number 7s to go on the wheels too. Really makes the car pop.